Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Check out the clouds. Yeah, kind of floating by one of my favorite places on earth. This right here is Copart, and this right here is one of my walk around videos where I take some time and kind of show you the cool cars and trucks that they have here at this facility. And it looks like they have a fresh stock of cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, ATVs, motorcycles, everything you can ask for. Let's check out some of the cool ones. Gotta tell you, I keep looking up above. These clouds are magnificent today. They are beautiful. It's a little dry here in Oklahoma, and some of the cars, like this 2002 Jaguar X-Type, are a little dusty. But that's okay. We can forgive that. Not a problem, okay? Look at the dust. Yeah, we need some rain here in Oklahoma. This is a beautiful car, and I chose this because it's something a little special on the inside. You don't see a lot of these, okay? This is the X-Type Sport, and the reason I chose it is right there. Yes, it is a stick shift. You don't see these, and it is red. And I think this is one good looking little car. This is nice, a little bitty fin on the back. Look at this, okay? I like. Lost type is hail on this car. So I'm looking for little dings, but with this red, I can't see a lot. I see maybe one or two on the hood. That's nothing big. Look at these Continental tires with tread. Do they match? I think they do. Someone took care of this car. They really did. Okay, we do have a windshield that appears to have a spider web right there in it. Yeah, so you'll need a windshield. There's a ding. Okay, here's one right here. I'm not seeing a lot of it. Of course, the dust is gonna hide some. Red over black. You cannot go wrong with that. Oh, this is nice and clean on the inside too. Headliner is still intact. Everything looks good. Back here, it's not a big car. I mean, they're smallish cars, but oh, this is nice. Oh, why do you get a, that's weird. You get a dinner table setting for your car. Huh. That's different. I have not seen that. Is that from another car auction, perhaps? I don't know. It is warm. Okay, I gotta say that. It is warm in here. Oh, and the windshield is way worse than I thought. But you know what? Windshields are not that expensive. They really are not. And now I'm realizing we have an issue because there's no key. You're kidding me, right? There's power. I'm not going to go to my place I always go to. There's power, there's power. Wonder working power. Give me a key. No. You want to talk about a clean engine? Look at that. Why can't there be a key? I love this car. Look at that. Look how clean. There is oil. It is good. There is some windshield wiper fluid. There is plenty of coolant. Brake fluid looks a little dark, but that's all right. Look how nice this is. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my goodness. Recall R935, replace and program GECM. Well, I can't, that's all I can do. I'm sorry. Sometimes life goes your way. Sometimes it does not. Oh, wait. Look. Oh, we found the key. Why is that not in here? Oh my gosh. I was sitting on it. I couldn't even feel it. I kid you not. Here we go. Now we're talking. Yes, please. Okay, let me go forward a little bit because my long legs need to reach the floor. Okay, here we go. She's gonna start and she's gonna sound really good. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. What's wrong? Is this another? Is this another immobilizer issue? Here we go. I did nothing different, but it starts. Oh, this is nice. Driver's door open. Yes, I know. Okay. That's okay. 56,000 miles. 2002 with 56,000 miles. And this is like new in here. This is like, it should be a 2022. You know it's all going to work. Somebody took care of this car. Wow. So get yourself a windshield. That's literally all you need. This is a nice little touch right here. Here's your release. Okay, oh. This cannot be 21 years old. Look at that. Brand spanking new. Whoa. Okay, very quickly, let's just go listen to that 3-liter engine because it sounds perfect from here. Oh yeah. In a heartbeat. I would drive this. Look at that. Doesn't even move. Okay, this is a great example of these gems you can find out here. Thank you for your service. From red to blue, beautiful BMW blue. This is a 535 Xi, 101,755 miles. She is a beautiful car. Yeah, this is from 2011, and here's the damage. Not major, she kind of crept up into somebody and gave him a little bump. Yeah, she just pushed him a little forward. I don't know if we'll be able to get this open. But I gotta say, these 5 Series, this is XDrive too, I believe. Yeah, XDrive. They kind of supersized them. This is as big as some of the 7 Series. You've got 2 flats on Michelin tires, which is nice. Damage other than the front, I don't know. Let's kind of open the hood and we'll just kind of see what's going on. We do have a key in this one. That's nice. And I do believe we can open the hood. Yeah, let's check out the damage. There it is. Ow. Here we go. Ouch, that was painful. Twin power turbo, baby. Yeah, she's dusty. And someone has started her using that right there. Okay. This has a lot of potential. How far did the damage go? Well, nowhere near the radiators or anything. Imperial Blue Brilliant Effect. Yeah, so you need a grill, 2 grills. You need a bumper and a headlight. I don't even think this was damaged. The impact was here, between here and the top of the support. Yeah, this was an easy. This would be a nice little easy fix. And you would have yourself a beautiful blue Beamer. Ooh, I like this. Okay. Ooh, M Sport too. Okay. I like the wheels. Anything with an M, count me in. Oh, this is, yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. And finally, how about a 2017 Infiniti QX30? Yes, it rhymes, I know. And this is a neat little car. We do have a flat, all right? And I don't think I remember seeing any of these in the salvage yards or in the auction yards ever. So this is something new to me. Tires, General Exclaim tires look to be in good condition. One of them is flat. This is a very angular compact SUV. Okay, this is flat. You got a couple of flat tires. We're looking for damage as we're doing our little walk around. This tire is very low. Where's the damage? Right here? This is it? That's all you got for me? That's okay. I'm not afraid of this at all. So you bumped into something, did you? Yeah, you got a little piece of trim right here. You have some little surface scratching right here. This has been pushed a little bit. You have, oh, hail, maybe hail. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a little bit off right here. So whatever you did, push this back a little bit. But it's nothing major. Nothing major at all. We have a cracked windshield. Okay, we're gonna add that to our list of things. What is the loss type on this? Minor dents and scratches. I think that's a great description. Yeah. Do you like the wheels? I kind of do. They're nice. For 2017, that's unfortunate. Yeah, how does that happen? A lot of getting in and out. For a car that's 5 years old? Okay. So you had kids. They like to wrap their little string around the back there. You're missing the string right here. It's got a kind of a funky Cole Medina smell going on in there. That's some stinky kids. Yeah. Not really like a teenage locker room, but it's something. Let's just see what it's like as we sit down. And yes, it is hot out here. It is 90 something degrees, and I'm doing these walk-arounds because you guys deserve it. You really do. You deserve to see what kind of cars you can get at this Copart place. What is this? That's just kind of sticking out. Okay. This is kind of a nice car. I'm not a huge Infiniti fan, but this is all right. This is okay. Let's see if we have any power, see what we can do with her. On a side note, what kind of force did it take to create that? Yeah, and then we have some sheet metal screws just kind of holding it together, but look at that. Wow, just pop that wheel in half. That's a hot mess. I'm not even looking at this car. Maybe I should. Maybe I should not. Ouch. Yeah, we're gonna focus over here. Focus our attention over here again. Very quickly, let's see what this stinky car sounds like. That looks very familiar, doesn't it? It looks very much like a Mercedes key, like almost exactly like a Mercedes key. Okay. Oh, 156,000 miles. But the engine sounds kind of whiny. It's a little whiny. Thank you. Okay, so we do have a check engine light. We have a TPMS light because we have a couple of flat tires. Well, that's a first. Yeah, my phone got too hot. Usually that's kind of a GoPro problem, but for an iPhone, yeah, she got way too hot and she kind of shut down. Kind of like I do when I get too hot. Everything just kind of ceases to work. So I've got the phone right in front of the AC vent just to give her a little bit more cooling, and then I'll let you listen to the engine because there's something funky going on. Yeah, this is there's a weird sound in there, kind of like it's trying to suck up some more of that coolant. Yeah, I think the phone's good now. So let's take a look outside. So here you go. Can you hear it? There's a vacuum leak or head gasket leak, or is it this? It's not that, but that's a weird sound. To me, that does not sound correct. So we shall move on. And from the confines of my QX30, no, it's not gonna be mine. I'm gonna pass on this one. I wanna say thank you for watching, everybody. Yeah, if you are looking for a car, this is the place to look. Copart here in Tulsa. There are facilities all over the country. I do want to say thank you to everybody here in Tulsa for letting me come out and do these little walk around. Super nice staff. Holy moly. General manager, assistant manager, everybody working up front are super, super, super friendly. So if you are in the area, don't hesitate to come out and give these guys a chance to sell you a car or a truck or SUV. Everything's out here. Okay, folks, thank you for watching. We're back with more videos on cars where we actually get our hands dirty, and we will have, of course, more bike reviews. I'm loving these electric bikes. The shoulder still hurting a little bit, especially when you push this bone kind of back where it's supposed to be. Yeah, that's something new. But I love riding the bikes. I really do. It makes me happy, happy, happy. And making these videos makes me happy as well. So have a great day, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Hug those kids if you got them, folks, because they'll grow up and leave the house before you know it. Then you're all alone, and it's just you and your dog and your 2 pet ducks. And everybody in the neighborhood thinks you're kind of a crazy man because you have these ducks running around your front yard and you don't know what's going on. Not that that's happened to me, no. Not at all. Okay, bye-bye.